Welcome to 2735 South Whitney Avenue, Rocklin, California. I have already come through and unlocked the doors, bringing you inside. A great room for the family to sit around. Nice. There's the front windows, door that goes out to the garage, and where the laundry area is. Have a nice coat closet here. This goes upstairs to the bedroom upstairs. Here we have the kitchen, beautiful kitchen, beautiful countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful tiered backyard, covered patio, plenty of cabinets, new laminate floors. Here's one bedroom here. Here's the bathroom. You've got a tub shower combo tile. Hall closet. Linen cabinets. All lined. Another bedroom with a whole house fan. Walk back through, so you have two bedrooms, kitchen, dining area combo off to the backyard. Here you have a nice front area, family room, fireplace. And come over this way. This is all on the main level. Epoxy looks like floor. In the garage, plenty of electrical outlets. You got your washer and dryer. Hot water heater. Now let's head up and take a look at the primary bedroom. Head up the stairs. Nice carpet, padding. We've got, again, more linen cabinets so you can reach from both sides. So it's an open area to the stairwell. Outside, you can see two sets of closets, and you've got a nice shower, beautiful countertops, and you also have storage area, central heating and air. So there you go, head on back downstairs. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, kitchen, dining combo, covered back patio, tub shower combo for the downstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs, main bathroom with an ensuite upstairs. You've got a nice big family room, and you have the garage and laundry area. So that'll about wrap it up. Take a walk out front. Garbage cans on the side here. And you've got a fence with a gate. Again, it's 2735 South Whitney Avenue in Rocklin, California.